And you can also get a print out of the stories of the lives of saints, even in Wikipedia or the Catholic Encyclopedia, also in the internet. Now, a ton of Catholics have no idea who the saints are. Isang toneladang Katoliko. Sayang talaga. And there are many, including my own religious group. I belong to several, mga 5 religious groups throughout all the last several decades of my life. And all of us, all my religious groups have thoroughly neglected to teach the members about the saints. Sorry. In yung charismatic renewal talaga and all choirs, no? All Catholic choirs, wala talaga silang pake sa mga saints, which is so sad because we can learn a lot from them. Today is the age of the best-selling leader, the best-selling influencer. Kung Catholic influence yan, dami niyang readers, dami niyang watchers. Pero yung mga santo na mas magaling pa sa mga Catholic influencers natin, kukonti lang ang nagbabasa. As a parent, obligasyon mong magbasa, alamin, encourage the kids to get to know the saints. They will be friends of God, young saints. Do you want your kids to have friends of God? Na may friends na friends of God? Yes. Yes. Do you want your loved ones to have friends na friends of God? Saints? Yes. If you're Catholic, you want that. Mayaman kasi ang Catholic Church. If you are not a Catholic, ang problema mo, your friend is the Bible. Okay? That's a problem kasi hindi person yun. You get me? Anak, huwag ka na mag-friend. Basa ka na lang ng Bible. Hindi pwede yun, di ba? Kasi people are meant to interact with people. Kailangan, meron siyang friend na santo, friend of God. Meron siyang friend na human being. And your child can learn so much from reading yung the way Saint Benedict was poisoned by his brother priests twice. How he's protected by God from the poisoning of his brother priest, Saint Benedict. Wink, wink. 1, 2, and 3. Like all they did in Hunger Games is kill each other in battle royale games. Same as with Fortnite. There's really nothing much to learn there aside from I'm gonna figure out a way to kill my opponent. Di ba ganun sa Valorant? So, ano matututunan mo doon? Wala. Magaling ka makikinig ka doon yung footsteps, di ba? Get your kids to get to know the saints. Sila ang, again, Catholics believe that humans are separated into 3. The saints who are still alive in heaven, the people in purgatory who are still alive in being purified, and us, tayong mga nasa earth. So nag-i-interact yung 3 grupo na yan. Through prayers, obviously. Through prayers. Take advantage mo yun kasi Katoliko ka naman. Okay? So marami tayong yaman, kinalimutan na even ng mga charismatic renewal leaders, and lalo na yung members. So that's why I'm doing this because have you heard of the Don Bosco system, preventive system? Probably not because why should you? You're too busy finishing the episodes. Thank you so much. Let's go to the next one.